Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into something super relevant to all of us, especially if you've ever, tried to find a local business online.
Yeah, we've all been there.
Exactly. We're talking local SEO, but like with a really interesting twist.
Absolutely.
So picture this. You're craving, I don't know, the best darn cupcakes in town.
Okay, I'm with you.
You go online, do a quick search, and boom, a bunch of bakeries pop up. But how do some places get that coveted top spot?
Right, got to be on that first page.
For real. It's not always about fancy algorithms or huge ad campaigns. Today, we're going deep on something so simple, yet so many businesses miss it.
It's true, and it can make or break your online presence.
Okay, no more suspense. Spill the tea. What's the secret ingredient for local SEO success?
It all boils down to NAP consistency.
NAP consistency. All right. For those of us who don't speak fluent SEO, break it down. What's NAP?
Sure, so NAP stands for name, address, phone number.
Okay, sounds pretty basic.
It really is. But you'd be surprised how many businesses kind of drop the ball on this one.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it seems like common sense, right? Your
Yeah.
business name, address, phone number. That should be everywhere, right?
You'd think so, right? But there's a disconnect sometimes, and search engines are really paying attention to this. They use it as a trust signal.
Interesting. So if a business has their address listed differently on their website versus, say, their Yelp page,
Yeah.
that's a problem.
Exactly. Inconsistency throws up a red flag. Search engines, they're all about providing accurate, relevant information to users. So when they see those discrepancies, it's like, wait a minute, can we really trust this business?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
And I bet it's not just about, looking good to Google, right? What about the actual customer experience?
Oh, absolutely. Imagine this. You find a restaurant online. Menu looks amazing. You're starving, ready to order, but the number's disconnected or the address leads you to, a parking lot.
The worst. So frustrating.
Right. And chances are you're just going to give up and find somewhere else to eat. Inconsistent NFP can be a major turnoff for potential customers.
Totally. We're all so busy these days. Nobody's got time to play detective just to find a business.
Exactly. And on top of that, this whole inconsistency thing can lead to an even bigger headache, duplicate listings.
Oh, I've heard of that. That's when a business has multiple listings with different information.
Exactly. And it's a nightmare for search engines because they're trying to figure out which listing is correct, which one to show users.
Wow. So it's not just annoying for customers, it's actually confusing the search engines too.
Exactly. It's like adding extra noise to the system, making it even harder for them to do their job.
So we've got frustrated customers, confused search engines. This is sounding like a disaster for local businesses.
It really can be. And the thing is, even if a business isn't actively focused on local SEO, inconsistent NAP information can still be working against them,
So even if you're not actively playing the SEO game, you can still lose.
basically. And no one wants that.
Wow, this has been a real eye-opener. So the big takeaway here is that it's not just about having a website or being listed somewhere, but making sure your business information is consistent, accurate, everywhere.
That's the key.
NAP consistency, who knew it was so important? I'm definitely going to be paying more attention to this from now on. Thanks for the deep dive.
My pleasure.
And to our listeners, think about this the next time you're searching for a business online. You might be surprised at what you find, or rather, what you don't.